Assalamu alaikum. My second video do or die game. Before I have made the clock and I have made this. First of all, subscribe my channel from this and share this video. You can see that I have made 3 pages. One is HTML, one is JS, and I have used functions and variables etc. And this is CSS. If I open this, you can see there is game. Run, boom, and you will play now. Click, and this automatically you can play it. Here is your score for this. Yeah, you can copy this code. See this, and you can saw from here. I can stay here for a while. Here I use button for click. When this click, you can play the game. And this is JS file where I use variable and functions. I have user clarity, and this is CSS file. Yeah, you can take from you can take this code from me from my FB. Thanks for watching video. Share it and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.